you should offer discounts and loyalty vouchers.
Wanna get closer, it's not
Before now, you had not been making so much sales, or you had making certain amount of money on a daily basis, but you're expecting to make more, but you don't want to increase the number of your employees. That would be selfish of you, because these employees can easily burn out and they may not give their best if they are burnt out. So you would want to, spend money in order to get more money. So you can consider employing more ants during the December period. You could get an extra locum pharmacist to help your superintendent and your full-time pharmacist. You could employ one more salesperson, and you could employ one more cashier. The crowd can be so much, and you don't want to keep your patients or your customers on the queue for long, because that can be frustrating and can be a turn off for some of these customers. So you should consider employing more staff. Next one is a Nigerian factor. This tip is that you should get an alternative source of generating electricity in your pharmacy or in your organization. And how do I mean? I just foresee, I'm not a prophet, but I foresee there might be fuel scarcity by December because of what has happened in the past. Everything is just scary. Nothing is actually certain. So I think it will be best, it will be in your best interest to find an alternative source of powering your pharmacy. For instance, you could get a solar, because the solar is the next big deal. So you should get solar, and then your solar can be charging during the day. You could use your generator to power electricity during the day, so that your fridge, your refrigerator, your chiller can get cold. And at night, you could convert to solar. And then by so doing, you will reduce noise pollution, you will reduce the expenses, the money you're spending on the fuel, and everybody will be happy. Task your employees, task them for the month of December. If you have not been tasking them, give them a target, but a reasonable target, please. If you have been making, say, 100K on a daily basis, don't go and task them 300K. Please, let's be reasonable. We are all humans, so task them, and when they meet target, please appreciate them. Yorubas will say, Ori wiwulomu ishe yiyawa. You will earn their loyalty and you will earn their respect by so doing. I know that Nigerians are religious people, but during the festive period, please make your employees happy. Some employers don't like to hear anything about making employees happy, but you really need to. Okay, for instance, last place where I practice as a community pharmacist, during Ramadan fasting, my boss used to bring us food because he's a Muslim. He used to bring us food on a daily basis. That delicious jollof rice and egg every evening. In fact, sometimes I would carry the food home, and most times I didn't have to bother about cooking supper. So on Christmas Day and on New Year's Day, please and please cook for your staff that would be on duty. You will also earn their respect, you earn their loyalty, you earn their love. Don't think that some of them may decline. Sure, you may have some people that will decline, but still offer them. You go ahead and offer them. If they decline, fine. Even if they decline, you have some people that will take the extra. Next is that you should offer discounts and loyalty vouchers. So if you have drugs on the shelves that have stayed there for so long and are becoming rusty and dirty, or those drugs that are about to expire, that are soon to expire, this is an opportunity for you to put them together and offer a discount. You can reduce the prices, you can put this on different shelves, and you place discount like 10% discount on them. Let them know that you're offering something, you're offering discount during this festive period. So remember that you will need to use money to make money. Don't think about the loss you'll be making, but think about the fact that if they eventually expire or if they turn bad, you will eventually lose. So it's better to lose minimally. So it's just apply wisdom, offer discounts. And for loyalty, if you have not been offering loyalty vouchers in form of your patients or your customers earning points when they buy stuff, your returning customers, you should start that now. Or you could do it in such a way that you do weekly raffle. So people come in maybe on Fridays or on weekends. Every Saturday there'll be a time to do that, maybe from so time to so time. There'll be a raffle draw. People that win, you will give them maybe part of those things that are about to expire, or those things that are rusty already, that kind of thing. And your customers will be happy. They will always remember that you did something for them during the festive period. If you are enjoying this video, please don't be selfish. Click the like button, like give me thumbs up, like, share, and even subscribe. That takes us to the next tip, to the next point, which is that you should pack ampers. Ampers are different items that are put inside, fine fancy baskets and are wrapped with wrapping sheets and ribbons for people to gift out. So you may have people who want to buy hampers. So you could just make a few, like one or two already made hampers, and then you buy extra baskets, and you tell your patients, tell your employees to inform your customers that you have baskets that they can use to pack hampers. So they can pick items from your shelves, and then your employee or your staff can help them package free of charge. So you can, offer them that kind of service too. It will help boost your sales. All the points I am giving in this video are based on my own personal perspective. So if you have any other thing, if you have any other idea, you can share with us in the comment section. This next tip is salient, but it is highly important because they say cleanliness leads to godliness. So keep your organization clean. If you have damaged shelves that are broken, please fix them now before December, and ensure that you clean all the products on the shelf, and make sure that the environment is clean and the products are well organized on the shelves. Number 9 tip is that you should please don't say because you're not a Christian, you're not celebrating with the Christians. Decorate your organization. Decorate, at least the simple decoration won't hurt. Decorating your pharmacy will just serve as a sign of solidarity that you are celebrating with the people that are celebrating. Please put a little music. Music is relieving, it gives comfort, it makes you forget all your worries. So when you enter pharmacy and you find out that you're playing soft music, even if you have been coming with malaria or headache, when you enter, you feel a bit relieved, like you feel a bit relaxed. So please play some music. I know that you can feel that okay, your employees will get carried away. No, where I last worked as a community pharmacist, we used to play music, and that used to boost our morale. When we were getting tired, the music, when we dance and all that, we regain our strength and we are revitalized. So music is refreshing. Play music in your pharmacy or in your organization. Bonus point I'm going to give is that if you don't have seats, like enough seats in your pharmacy or in your shop or in your organization, please go and buy chairs, because the crowd that I foresee, you may not know it, but the crowd that I foresee, if you follow all these tips that I've given you, the crowd I foresee that will be patronizing you this December, your barns will be so full that you may not be able to contain it. So please, the available chairs you have now may not contain the blessing. Go and get extra chairs so that your customers can always feel at home when they come. They can feel relaxed, they can sit down. When they sit down and they feel relaxed, they can even buy things that they did not intend to buy. So please make your pharmacy customer friendly. Get extra seats for your patients. If the paintings are so bad and dirty, you may consider repainting, because first impression lasts long. So last point, the last but not the least, is that you shouldn't be selfish. Please subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification, and share this video. I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.
I told you I'm not here to mess around, and you've been acting